drama in 3 acts by Kelly Verroman. It was a dark and stormy summer afternoon. I walked out onto my front porch and saw that once again my mother had planted a pink flamingo in the garden.
That damn flamingo!
It was the bane of my existence, considering me and the flamingo had broken up at least 3 months ago.
Sorry, babe.
It broke my heart just to see him again.
You're breaking my heart, flamingo.
That's what flamingos do. Don't you know about us?
He had left me for the neighbor's yard gnome.
Can't help it.
It's right. I'm with Flamingo now, bitch.
You brought that old gnome to my yard?
The two had traveled the world together and took pictures.
Go ahead, show her the scrapbook.
Well, see, it's quite large.
That's right, the Roman gnome. Just like those crappy commercials, that's what made me fall in love with her.
Paris, too?
We did it all, bitch. That was Flamingo and I at the top of the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, yes. God, how we made love until sunset.
And over again.
Who would have thought that a cement statue and a hollow plastic figurine could really find love in this crazy workaday world?
We did.
I felt so alone. Oh, so alone. ... It was then I knew I had to get revenge.
It's a good thing she can never get revenge on us. Boy, we sure... Hey, there's some laurels. Let's rest on them.
As they were resting on the laurels, I went inside and prepared the gnome's favorite drink, but this time I put in some arsenic. Fresh mojitos.
Oh, the bitch is back. Ding dong.
I brought you beverages.
I pretended to be submissive and kind, feigning a friendship that would only die with the gnome.
You'll have to pour it in my beef.
Anything for you, Flamingo.
Toast to each other.
All right.
That's some strong stuff. Wait, baby, don't drink it. No,
Why not, Flamingo?
I don't feel so good.
No.
Oh, baby, what did she do to us?